Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Blood Track Weapons, complete guide to best guns, stats, and how to use the guns. So here, right now, as you can see right here, we're about to show you how to use some guns, and right here. So yeah. So now, I suggest if you're doing this for let's say the battle is like a close range fight. If it's a close range fight, I suggest guns that you can use for close range fights. Right here, um, I suggest using some call this. Wait, let me just show you. If you're doing like a close range fight, I suggest using some SMGs and shotguns. Because SMGs, when you're close range fight, it's much more easier to control. There you go, as you can see right there. Rather than using a, let's say, rather let's using a, there you go, rifle. It's hard to control. There you go, as you can see, it's much more harder to control a rifle than an SMG in a close range fight. So I suggest using that when you're doing like a close range fight combat right there. See right there. So now, the next thing you can do is right here. Let's say, you want to have the best guns for you. Wait, we're just gonna go right here. The workbench. So here at the workbench, right here, I suggest using some adjusting your guns right here. So I suggest for shotguns use this one right here. Right, this one right here. The choke, barrel, original, optical, as you can see, acro, combat, reflex, stock. I use the stock right here. Magazine. I use the Forerunner Dragon Mag. Trigger. I want to use this, but I can't. I haven't reached it yet. It's I think I need to be level 90 for that. So this one for me, shotgun is one of the best weapons to use in a close range fight. There you go, as you see right there. But not just any shotgun, this shotgun right here, as you can see what I'm holding right now. This is one of the best guns you can use in a close range fight. It's an M1887. Best gun you can use in a close range fight. No matter if your enemy's on SMG or what, um, I say shotgun's the best one to use in a close range fight. Even in a little bit close range, like a mid range, you can use the shotgun as well. As you can see right there, boop, boop, boop. There you go. Now next, guys, for you guys, let's say we're doing like a farther range battle like that. I suggest doing this. I suggest using second gun. I suggest using a, they call this. Let's see. I suggest using a sniper for farther range fights right here. Wait, let's just wish the Hank. So I use this guy to shoot this guy. there you go. So now, let's say you're doing like a far fight right there. I suggest using snipers for far fight. Yeah, for far fight snipers, use sniper. Find sniper right here, sniper right there, and always on snipers. Always focus on the damage rather than the other stuff right here. There you go, and always focus on the damage. Fire rate, you don't need to increase the fire rate of sniper. Recoil, no need. Just focus on the fire rate, the damage, range, and mobility. Accuracy, just 50-50. Just focus on this three right here when upgrading. As you can see, recoil, we don't need that much. We just need to focus on this three right here. Say barrel. I'm gonna teach you how to do this. Say, let's say that the range, increase the range, so let's take it. Stock. There you go. Make it back normal. Magazine. So there we go. Save the backup. Now we're gonna test it. There you go. 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 Useful. Now, but I suggest you're doing if you're doing like a fast fighting, I suggest using the bow. 100% use the bow. If you're if you're doing something like like a long range fight, I 100% use the bow, because the bow for me guys, so much more easier for the long range fights. Like my favorite long range weapon is a bow. There you go. It's right there. Even at the very long range, as long as it's a exploding bow. So yeah, so just using the bow as an advantage. There you go. Boink. And if you think it's gonna be like a long fight, uh, upgrade the optic to it's very precise. Right there, times 4. There you go. There you go. So you can see, much more farther. There you go. There you go. See. There it goes. There you go. I suggest using the bow. So I suggest combining a bow, and then for your second weapon is, I suggest doing a, there you go. M4A1, M4A1 for your second weapon, right here, as you can see right there. So let's say your first weapon is a bow, and then your second weapon is for the bursting. So and this gun right here is best for close range and long range. So I suggest using this as well. Let's say after using the bow, then your enemy just comes up right here. Don't have a shotgun or SMG. I suggest using this gun right here, because even if you burst it, it still hits very well with very low recoil, as you can see right there. So yeah, I suggest doing those. So yeah, that's about it for you guys. Oh, and I suggest if you're doing a shotgun, I suggest using Hank, because Hank increases the shotgun's damage. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it in the comment section below. Happy to answer, guys, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.